Hello my cute little red flags and welcome to a Get Ready With Me. Today we are getting ready for an event and I have not attended an event in a very long time for obvious reasons, and if you don't know those reasons you can just Google me. I'm now on news, babe. Anyway, it's a Red Bull event and if you know me you know that I love Red Bull, so I'm very excited. I have two options, but the one thing I know is that I want to style this jacket no matter what. Even though अभी चेन्नई में 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस हो रहा है और कल मैंने 8 बार उल्टी की क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लग रही थी and I could not get up from my bed, और फिर मुझे मेरी एस्पेक इंजेक्शन दिया गया and that is the most intimate I've gotten in a very long time. But I really need pictures in this jacket and what do I always say, kids? प्राण जाए पर एस्थेटिक ना जाए. Okay, so this is option number 1 and मैं एक बार इस आउटफिट में एक परफेक्ट फोटो खिंचा लूं so I can just let go of this jacket. मैं ये कॉर्सेट बाहर निकाल सकती हूँ and then I can wear this cap जो मुझे रेड बुल ने दी है. And usually मैं कैप में अंधी हो जाती हूँ, मुझे दिखता ही नहीं है, but for racing event it's really giving the vibes and it matches perfectly with my shoes. Okay, so this is option number 2 and this is what it looks like with the jacket. By the way, if you've not guessed it yet, it's a racing event. And मैं पहले कभी भी F1 नहीं देखती थी because मुझे लगता था कि ये लोग कौन है जिन्हें गाड़ियों को शाय शाय करता हुआ देख के मजा आते हैं. But then I started dating this guy who was really into F1 and then of course मुझे उसकी perfect girlfriend बनना था, तो I also started watching F1 and obviously मैं races देखते हुए उससे बहुत यार dumb questions पूछती थी कि वो DRS क्या होता है, formulation lap क्या होता है, तो उससे मैं इतनी cute लगती थी कि अरे कितनी भोली है, इसको कुछ भी नहीं आता. And yeah, that's how I really got into F1 and now I love racing.